Hey, welcome to PC Tech. So today we're going to be working on an iPhone 5SE. Well, actually, we're going to be working on about 9 of them. Had a customer that, I'm not sure what he uses these for, but all of them have battery issues. So we're going to go through the quick process on how to remove that battery. One of the clear indications that you might need a battery, and when your screen starts doing something like this, it's kind of popping up. And what happens is, this is what your battery starts to look like. Your battery should look like this. And when it gets old and it just stops working right, it starts expanding. And that's why sometimes battery actually, they tend to like blow up because it gets so swollen. Okay, so we've already disconnected the battery. And now we're gonna remove the adhesive that's on the bottom. Now, these iPhone batteries, just like any other battery, they have X amount of charges in them before they just start dying. And we tend to overcharge our phones. We shouldn't always have it charged up. A lot of people always have it charged up, even if it's not dying or in the way. A couple strips, you get enough of these strips, and you just pull the whole thing out. Put some bacon on here. Oh, almost like this. You just have to go with different sections. Boom, got that whole one there. Now one more side to go. And there you have it. This condition is terrible. I'm glad they brought it in when they brought it in. You can tell that battery is ready to go. So before it gets that severe though, a couple ways that you can start identifying that you might have some battery issues is if it takes forever to charge. It could be your battery. If it dies quickly, it could be your battery. Or just won't retain a charge or won't charge at all. That could be a battery issue. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new battery in and work on the other 8 remaining phones. Thank you for coming and checking us out, PC Tech. Check us out at PCTechStores.com on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you.